What's the meaning of Carson McCullers? Carson McCullers. Carson McCullers.
Carson McCullers. Carson McCullers. Carson McCullers was an American writer who was best known for her novels and short stories that explored the emotional lives of lonely, outcast characters in the American South. Her work often dealt with themes such as love, alienation, and the search for identity. She was considered to be a significant voice in Southern Gothic literature, alongside other authors like Flannery O'Connor and William Faulkner. Despite struggling with ill health throughout her life, McCullers continued to write and publish until her death in 1967, leaving behind a legacy of powerful and haunting works.